welcome to the Royal Welsh Show virtually. A very different one for us as an organisation this year, as well as for everybody within the rural communities of Wales. Whilst I am looking forward to once again seeing the variety of talent from our young farmer members, it's very strange to not be in Llanelwedd this week. Looking forward to a fine display of talent.
Helo a chroeso I Sioe Frenhinol, clybiau Ffermwyr Ifanc Cymru. Ychydig wahanol eleni. Fel chi'n gallu gweld, I ddechrau, wi bendant ddim yn sefyll ar faes Sioe Frenhinol Cymru yn Llanelwedd. Wel, mae'n bwysig bod y ffermwyr ifanc yn cynnig rhywbeth I chi fel aelodau am eleni, oherwydd bod yna ddim Sioe Frenhinol. Felly, dyma ni yn cynnig Sioe Frenhinol Rhithwir, ffermwyr ifanc Cymru I chi. Hello, and welcome to the Young Farmers Royal Welsh Show. Slightly different show this year. As you can see, I'm not standing on the Royal Welsh Showground at the moment. But the young farmers in Wales this year are offering an online show. Byddwn nhw'n dangos aelodau mudiad y ffermwyr ifanc ar ei gorau yn ystod yr wythnos yma, a thalent cefen gwlad ar ei orau hefyd. Dewch I ymuno gyda ni yn hwyl a sbri y ffermwyr ifanc. Through the variety of competitions that we will be holding during the week, we'll be able to see the talent of young farmers throughout Wales during the week. Come with us and enjoy the week.
Helo, Erica. Dwi'n cadeirydd cystadlu CFfI Cymru. Hi, I'm Erica. I'm the chairman of Wales Competitions. Dwi just eisiau deud, dwi'n edrych ymlaen, dwi'n mor cyffroes am sioe online. So just wanted to say how excited we are about the show online. Mae gennym ni lot o cystadlaethau I aelodau. We've got lots of competitions for our members. Barnu stock, crefft, coginio, stock judging, craft, cooking. Mae rhywbeth am bawb. There is something for everyone. So we look forward to seeing you. Please follow us and we hope you enjoy it as much as we do. Diolch yn fawr, tra!
Hello and welcome to the Wales YFC Virtual Royal Welsh 2020. My name's Katie and I'm the Vice Competitions Chairman for this year. Whilst it might not be the Royal Welsh Show that we all know and love, it's one that we won't forget in a hurry. And this week we're going to bring you competitions from cookery to craft and stock judging to singing and everything in between. So whether you're a supporter, it's the same fun-filled family entertainment that Wales YFC provides, or a competitor, it's time to show off your talents. Across the week we'll be going live on our Facebook page to bring you the best of the competitions from the week. I hope you follow us on this great journey and enjoy and support us in what we do this week.
I know that our members won't disappoint. Having judged in a couple of the virtual rallies over the last couple of weeks running up to the Royal Welsh, I know that we are in for a treat.
Mae aelodau ar draws Cymru wedi bod cystadlu yn ffrwd yn erbyn ei gilydd yn ei siroedd yn ystod yr wythnosau diwetha. Ac yn ystod yr wythnos sydd o'n blaenau, fe welwn ni'r holl siroedd yn dod at ei gilydd I gystadlu yn erbyn ei gilydd mewn amrywiol gystadlaethau. Oedd hynny yn farnu stoc, coginio, dawnsio, edrychwn ymlaen I weld beth fydd gan yr aelodau I gynnig I ni yn ystod yr wythnos. Welcome to the Wales Young Farmers Virtual Competitions for the Royal Welsh Show this year. We'll have a variety of competitions throughout the week, from stock judging, cooking, dancing, etc. You're more than welcome to join us every evening for the highlights and results of the day.
I look forward to competing alongside with you and sharing in your successes of the week and all that we've achieved during the COVID-19 outbreak. It's been a hell of a year, but we made it. Good luck and enjoy!
Os oes gennych chi neu eich ffrindiau chi unrhyw hen luniau o'ch yn cystadlu yn y Sioe Frenhinol gyda'r ffermwyr ifanc, cofiwch ddanfon nhw mewn atom neu ei rhannu ar eich gwefannau cymdeithasol gan ddefnyddio #Royal Welsh Rewind. Edrychwn ymlaen at weld eich atgofion. During the week, please remember to send us in any old photographs and memories you have of competing with the young farmers over the time at the Royal Welsh, over the many years that have been, and using the hashtag and use the hashtag Royal Welsh Memories. we're welcoming... During the week, please remember to send us in any photographic memories you have of competing with us at the Royal Welsh with the Wales Young Farmers and use the hashtag Royal Welsh Memories. During the week, please remember to send us in any photo... Ar anmudiad Ffermwyr Ifanc Cymru, hoffwn ddiolch i chi'r aelodau sydd wedi bod yn gymwynasgar iawn i'ch cymunedau dros y misoedd diwetha. Mae'n bwysig i ni fel aelodau a chyn aelodau i dynnu efo'n gilydd ar adeg anodd fel hyn. Felly diolch. On behalf of Wales Young Farmers, we'd like to thank you very much, members and ex-members and friends of the YFC movement, for your hard work within your communities during this COVID-19 and the difficult times we have been going through recently. So thank you, members.
I just want to say thank you so much for the hard work that counties and Wales staff and officers have undertaken over this lockdown period, and especially in the run-up to something so different for us as the virtual Royal Welsh. Enjoy the talent on display, get involved with the various events that there are ongoing, and also have a listen to the YPV playlist. I hope that we can get together again soon, and especially in Llanelwedd in 2021. Thank you.